Hi guys, today we're gonna do the two number swap, and I'll show you what I mean. So the two number swap is basically giving two variables value, printing them, then swapping the order, and then printing them again. Now let's see what happens. And we get this. And you can do it for any number. You can even add a different variable. And then we add print D. And then it gives us the numbers. Though this time it's longer because we added another variable. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Remember to smash that subscribe button and like my videos. Bye.